Okay, let's start with the cayennes. 4 of them in the bigger pots. They're looking alright. Need to adjust them, make sure they're facing the opposite to the light so they bend themselves back up. That one's a little bit bent over. So 4 bigger pots, and then these are the 2 in the cups. The leaves are looking nice. So far so good. Okay. Sugar Rush Peach Stripey. Got 4 of those. These 2 a bit leggy but looking good. Here are the Dream Catchers. We've got 5 of those. Beautiful leaves. Next up is the Carolina Reapers. We've got 3 of these at the moment. Looking alright there. This one was such a slow starter, but he is getting bigger. And this one's looking great. The Buena Mulata. I think that one's history, eh? Look at that. Who knows? Next we have the Padron. Both in big pots. And they're looking alright. Here we have the Armageddon. We've got 4 of these. 1 in the big pot and is looking just beautiful. And here are the other 3 in the cups. Very, very nice. And here we have the Kashmiri Merch. We've got 6 of these. Not sure why. 2 of them in the big pots. And they are coming along great for 22 days. Looking alright. And then 4 in the cups. And they are all doing exceptionally well. A large orange tie. 4 of these are in the cups at the moment. All the different stages. Looking good. The Scotch Bonnet MOAs. This one's in the big pot. This is probably the one the smallest. And then we have 4 in the cups. 5 in total. Looking really nice. Next up are the Tabascos. We've got 3 of these, and they're all in different stages.